Hello, beautiful people. Today I'm going to share with you the red box, blue box strategy. And so let's go ahead and get started real quick. You're going to go to your indicators and TradingView. Look for breakout finder by Lonesome D, and then it has some other things behind it. In the settings, you're going to go ahead and make sure it matches these settings right here. Inputs, the styles. Actually, you're going to definitely need the lines. And you want this to show on all time frames. Okay? Now, the strategy is simple. You pretty much can use it on every time frame, but we know with the lower time frames, just remember the zones are not as strong. So if you go on a 4-hour time frame, they are typically stronger, but it does take a little longer to set up. And so the way this works is you look for your blue box or your red box. So let's go ahead and look for, let's go backwards and see if I can find a setup for everybody. Okay, here's one right here. This is your red box. This box does not activate, so let me go ahead and put this in replay mode. Okay. When you see your red box, immediately you want to look for your last buying or selling candle that pushed the market down and broke the structure. So that pushed the market below this red box, okay? So just think of your box as support and resistance per se. And so I don't know if you can see, but you have this last small little candle right here, which is your last buying candle that pushed this market down and broke below the red box. Okay. Now that we have identified our last buying candle that pushed this market lower, so breaking structure low is what we're going to call this, okay? You do have to wait until the market comes back around to this interruption and close above it, like past it. This candle right here is the candle that closed above this last buying candle. Once you see that, the box is activated. And what I mean by that is now you can take your horizontal box, extend it over, and take the trade for the buy. Okay. Now, just this candle alone, and when I say for the buy, you're going to take it around the area, around the zone of the box. Stop loss is typically below the swing low. If it's too much, if the risk reward don't make sense, you'll need to drop to a lower time frame or adjust your lot size. But had you taken this trade, you could have gotten about, so let's start from this box. From here to here, that's 26 pips, okay? And had you waited a little bit until maybe you got confirmation, like price action or something like that, from this candle up, 36 pips, not bad. So that's how you trade this red box on the 4-hour. Typically, I trade this red box, blue box on the 2-hour time frame. There's more opportunities on those time frames, and I'm usually just going for 20 pips. Now, the blue box, the way you trade the blue box is you look for, when you see your blue box, so let's backtrack this one. You immediately look for your last selling candle that pushed the market above the blue box, okay? So this is your last selling candle right here. Now remember, the box doesn't activate until the market comes back around and closes below the last selling candle. So you have your breaker structure high here. And now we need this market to close below, give me more than 100%. So more than 100, so 110% past this candle. Okay, market closes below right here. The box is now activated. You extend it over. That's your zone to take the trade for the sale. Don't forget, blue boxes we sell, red boxes we buy. Market comes to that zone, a little bit of drawdown, and then sells off. Your stop loss could be above the high, 30 pips, whatever you decide. I typically do 30 pips, and I still would have made this trade. I would have made it work. The blue box and red box is nothing but the head and shoulder pattern set up, to be honest with you. Oh, I think I missed the leg. So for example, market goes up, pulls back, market goes higher, gives you that 110%, past the neckline of the head and shoulder, comes back up to where the left shoulder is and drops. It's pretty much your head and shoulder pattern. I hope this strategy was simple for everyone. Literally, like I said, all time frames, you can look for these red and blue boxes. On the daily, it will take time to form. However, it could be some really good trades. So happy trading, everybody. Let me know if you have any questions. Take care and stay tuned to the next one.